Hello viewers, welcome to Grow Faster. Hope you all are happy and doing great. Mark Cuban says that if you don't follow the stock market, you are missing some amazing drama. And today we are here to show you one of the site in that you can get to know almost everything about the particular stock, and the website name is Screener. You can find this in Google. Just go to Google and type Screener and give search, and at that time you will find like this. Click on that and it will take you to its site. Below you can see feed, screens, tools and accounts. You need to log in by giving necessary information. Starting in feed, you will find watch list update. If you click on that, you will get search option. Then you can type your necessary stock name and can add to watch list. For example, we will take Infosys. You can type Infosys and click on that, and it will be saved in your watch list. You will get to know many information regarding that stock. And if you don't want that stock in watch list, again click on watch list updates. There you can delete the stock. Second is upcoming results. Here you can find new quarterly results, and if you click on that, it will show you last 3 days quarters results announced stocks. Then annual reports, and here also if you click on that, you will get many stocks annual reports, and you can find your needy stocks annual report for the financial year. Next, if you click on screens, you will find something like popular themes, popular formulas, quarterly results, valuation screens, popular stock screens, and etc. Here, according to your search theme, you need to click on the options provided. For example, let us take, if you want to see in which stock FIIs made buying, here is one option. Click on that. At that time, you will get all those stock in which FIIs are buying. Like this, you can find relatable searches of your doubt. If we see another one, then here we can check highest dividend yield shares in valuation screens. And if you click on that, you will get all those shares which are consistently paying out dividend on highest yield. And all these informations are updated by individual according to their knowledge. It won't get directly updated, it will be checked by screener officials, and if it is right, then it will be get updated. And another thing, if you want to search anything that is not here at that time, you can run a query. For that query, you have to click on tools. There you will get many options. For some you need premium buying, but for running query it is not needed. Now click on create stock screen. Here you can create a stock search query. For example, let us take, if you want to know those companies whose market capitalization is more than 500 crores, then you have to put a query like market capitalization greater than 500 crores and click on run query. Then it will show you all those stocks whose market capitalization is more than 500 crores. If you have any other queries also, like price to earning is below than 15 or return on capital employed is greater than 22%, then you have to put a query and run it. You will get relatable information. Almost information is available in this screener. The fourth one is account. There you can see your account and all those information about you and make the settings about your account. Now mainly, if you want to know everything about one stock or company, then you have to come to feed, and here in search you have to type your needed stock name or company. For now, I will search Infosys and click on this. First, you will get to know about the company, like what is company doing, what is its process, in which industry it is working, and all other works. Means it will give a brief information about the company. Then if we click on website, then it will take you to the Infosys website where you can get all things of Infosys company. Coming back, if you click on BSc, then it will take to you BSc site of Infosys, and the same thing with the NSE website also. Then it will show you the main information of the stock, like market capitalization, what is the current price, 52 weeks high and low, price to earning ratio, book value, and other necessary information. If you come down, you will find the chart of the stock. You can find max of the chart. It will show price of the stock, price earning ratio, and also sales and margin. Below, some indicators also there. You can use according to your need. It will show the pros and cons of the stock, like what are its strengths and weaknesses of the stock, and so that you will get to know about the stock's pros and cons. Coming below, there is peer comparison. It is like one of the stock research approaches used by professional analysts and individual investors most commonly and embraced, so that you can find the peer comparison of this stock. If you want to know about the quarterly results of the company, then you can view here only. You will get an idea of how the company is performing in the past quarters by looking at the numbers. And even if you want to know about the profit and loss of the company, whether the company is making profit or whether it is making loss, so all those information also available in Screener. So you can see the previous years profit and loss, so that you will get an entire idea of the how the company is making profit or whether the company is making loss. It will also shows the compounded sales growth, compounded profit growth, stock price CAGR, and return on equity. If you want to see the overall performance of the company, then you have to look at the balance sheet of the company. All the balance sheet information or numbers are available here. You can look at the numbers and you can decide whether the company is good, or whether the company is having good assets, or whether the company is having more liabilities. On that basis, you can decide whether the company is good or healthy. Coming down, it will show you the cash flows of the company, like how is companies operating, investing, and financing cash flow is happening, so that you will get an idea of company's cash flow. And you can also view the ratios, like return on capital employed, debtor days, and inventory turnover. If you want to know about the shareholding pattern of the company, then all those informations are available here. By looking at that, you can understand the how much percentage of shares that are held by the promoters, FIIs, DIIs, and public also. And there is an option called insider trading, and if you click on that, you will get all this information regarding the insider trading. Finally, if you want any documents of particular, then you will get that also. If you want any recent announcements that made by the company, then click on that. It will directly get downloaded and you can see the necessary information that is required. Here even annual reports and credit ratings and con calls also there. You can click and view all those information that is required. Basically, Screener is a bunch of everything regarding stocks or companies. You will find almost every necessary information of any particulars here, and even it is simple to use also. We tried just a little bit to show how Screener works. We have just given some insights of the Screener website. You can use this website for any searches regarding any stocks or companies that are listed. If you liked this video, then like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. Have good vibes only. Grow faster, grow better.